Talk about the purpose of thinking about rituals in your life and how they can help to become more intentional in the morning.
Yeah, so for many people, mornings are their best time. This is time you can have for yourself before everybody else wants a piece of you. There's some evidence that people tend to have more energy in the morning. Some of that may be related to that first cup of coffee, but not all of it. And so this is really time we can use to make progress toward our goals. It's the same sort of thing with financial advice. People always tell you if you want to build wealth, you need to pay yourself first. Because if you wait until the end of the month to see what money is left over, shockingly, there often isn't a whole lot of money left over. But if you pay yourself first, one way or the other, you'll get through and you'll build wealth in the process. So, same exact thing with time. If you take whatever is important to you and do it first, then you make progress. And the idea of thinking about it as a ritual, partly it's just that ritual sounds a little bit more nice and heavy and meaningful than just habit, which could be something like biting your fingernails. So we want to give it a good positive connotation, but it makes good choices automatic. And we have some more ability, if you believe some of the research, to develop these good habits in the morning before our willpower and our energy is depleted in the course of the day. So by thinking about how you can do certain high quality activities more often than not in the first few hours of a day, you increase the chances that over time you do more of these things and you devote more time to these things and you get yourself closer to your long-term goals.